Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the Adaptive SuperTrend Pro indicator. Now, this specific technical indicator clearly visualizes the current market trend for you. You can see that a strong uptrend is represented by a blue color, while a significant downtrend is shown in a red shade to help you identify market shifts. There's a lot that can be said about which indicators are better or worse, but from my own experience and backtesting, I can say that the best indicators are trend-following ones. So, what exactly can we see when we look at this interface? Right here, we have helpful hints provided for us, as is always the case with this specific tool. And if we take a much closer look at the detailed history section, we can clearly see precisely when certain trends first started to emerge and exactly when they continued to develop over time. As a rule, during some kind of instability, there was confusion, just like you can see right here. But then, when the trend actually initially takes off and begins to steadily build up significant momentum, it gradually shifts into a very specific and distinct color. Essentially, as we can clearly see, there is this kind of instability occurring right here during these specific kinds of market reversals, so to speak. We can also observe and identify this exact same pattern of structural instability right here, which is remarkably similar to what we are witnessing in this other section over here. But once the trend has started, you need to move with the trend. That's it. If we look at the weekly time frames, of course, they are still the most clear, the ones that show things best. And the boundary of this indicator, when it is crossed, shows that the trend has changed. As we can see here, if it crosses let's say $90,000 for Bitcoin, the trend will change. That's it. So basically, that's how it works. In exactly the same way here, the overall local trend will likely begin to change once the price action finally crosses $76,000. That's it. And right here, just like here, basically, if we look at it globally, we're still in a bearish trend, but once we cross this point, we'll already be turning around. Of course, it doesn't predict reversals at the very bottom, but still, we need to see the overall picture and move with the trend, especially if you are a long-term investor. That is, you should have several confirmations that the trend has already started, and the larger the time frames, the better. So go ahead, check it out, use it. You can get all the indicators on this website. We have major updates here. There are public and private ones. For every video, including the one you're watching now, you can find a guide on how to use each indicator. And basically, that's all for now. Thank you all. Goodbye.